The manufacturing process of skis involves a series of steps that transform raw materials into a pair of versatile and enjoyable winter sports equipment. Here's a simplified overview of the ski manufacturing process. Wood core. Selection. The heart of a ski is its wood core, which provides strength, flex, and damping properties. Ski manufacturers carefully select wood species with the desired characteristics, such as poplar, aspen, or bamboo. Lamination. The wood core is laminated with composite layers, typically made of fiberglass, carbon fiber, or a combination of both. These layers enhance the ski's stiffness, durability, and responsiveness to different skiing styles. Shape cutting. Using CNC, computer numerical control. Machines' precise shapes are cut into the laminated ski blanks, creating the desired profile and dimensions. This step sets the foundation for the ski's overall performance and handling characteristics. Edge bending. The edges of the ski are bent to a specific radius, ensuring they can grip the snow effectively and prevent the ski from slipping. Edge bending is done using specialized machines that precisely shape the edges to a consistent curvature. Sidewall attaching. Sidewalls are glued and attached to the sides of the ski, providing structural support and preventing the core from delaminating. Sidewalls also enhance the ski's durability and improve its performance on different snow conditions. Top sheet. Applying the top sheet, the colorful layer that covers the ski's top surface, is applied using a vacuum pressing process. The top sheet not only provides aesthetic appeal, but also protects the ski from wear and tear. Waxing. The base of the ski, the underside that glides on the snow, is waxed to improve its glide performance. The wax is applied in a thin layer, reducing friction and allowing the ski to effortlessly slice through the snow. Finishing touches. Minor adjustments, such as edge sharpening and tip and tail shaping, are made to finalize the ski's preparation for the market. Each ski is then inspected meticulously to ensure it meets the manufacturer's rigorous quality standards. Goodbye and happy skiing!